Hello, this video is about combustion, complete or incomplete. So as a way of getting the concept across and illustrating it, we're going to start with thinking about the Bunsen burner, which you will have used in the lab. You can open and close the air hole at the bottom, and that allows the gas fuel to mix with air or not. So in the roaring flame, you've got the air hole open, there's plenty of oxygen mixing with the fuel as it goes up the chimney before it burns, and you get complete combustion. So the characteristics of complete combustion are blue flames, and they're very hot and they burn cleanly. They produce carbon dioxide and water, but not too much by way of unpleasant byproducts. Whereas if you close the air hole, you get an incomplete combustion. There's not enough oxygen to mix with the fuel, so it burns quite lazily essentially, and instead of getting clean carbon dioxide and water, you get some other byproducts like carbon monoxide or just pure carbon soot, unburnt carbon, and that's obviously quite unpleasant for a number of reasons which we'll go into in a different video. But incomplete combustion, orange flame, cooler, dirtier; complete combustion, blue flame, clean and hot. Thanks very much for watching, and there's more videos like this afterwards. Oh my god.